Crappy tire. Where is he going? Don't take the people. 21 or 22, they said. We're at 21. Oh, that's disgusting. That'll look nice on YouTube.
I just wish somebody would just show me where it is.
Well, if there's somebody working in this area, just ask them.
Rocker guard, there it is. $99.
What?
Easy liner.
Are you shitting me? 99 bucks.
Okay, maybe we'll go.
You need to get whatever for the...
Maybe use for touching up tires, scratches, chips. 6 cans to do an average truck bed coating.
Decisions.
Not spending $99.
Aw.
Bondo hair. It's for boats. Waterproof. Double the strength of a regular filter.
Look, it's got a picture of a boat on it, too. See the picture of the boat?
It's for fiberglass. Well, it's aluminum.
12 foot.
Shut that off. You're stressing me out.
Why am I stressing you
Because
out?
I can't concentrate.
No, I'm putting this on YouTube on your
You don't know
page.
how. Your video's too long anyway.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Too bad. I'll break it up.
You can't.
I can do whatever the hell I want. Tell you the truth.
Okay, let me think here. You're fucking me up. I might be losing the Canadian Tire.
That's not hard to
I gotta
do.
spray this and see how it looks.